Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to a brand new video and welcome to my channel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be talking about how to improve English and how you can speak your speaking skills in no time. This is what today's lesson is about, and I welcome you all with a very big heart, and I will also share my journey how I improved my English. So guys, when I was in school, I was not good at this language. I faced a lot of criticism. I used to make a lot of mistakes. I didn't know how to construct sentences. I was not aware of the grammar. First of all, I learned grammar. I started making sentences. I used to start with very small sentences, and that is how I write paragraphs. Every single night whenever I go to bed, I write paragraph that how was my day, what was the best part of my day, what I did, where did I go. I used to write all the activities that I did in the day. So you can, and this is how you can do the same, and you can also improve your English in this way. And the best part that I like about this, I really, after the grammar, I really focused on situational English. The best thing that you can do, the language demands one thing, and that is practice. And you can learn any language, be it English, Hindi, German, French. You can learn any language by practicing. The more you practice, the better you will be. And imitation is one of the best way, because research tell us that children learn a language by imitation. And if you do the same, and if you imitate words, words, sentences, or the expression, and you repeat that sentences or expression out loud, this will help you a lot. Because research tell us that and if you're a new learner, and if you imitate sentences, and you after hearing, and you repeat that sentences out loud with yourself, it will become the part of your vocabulary. Or that could be any word, that could be any expression, it could be will be a part of your vocabulary, and you can also improve your English speaking skills in that way. The second thing that I did was, I used to watch movies, English movies. First of all, I started with Hindi movies with subtitles, and then I turned to without subtitles. Try to watch movies first of all without subtitles, and then with subtitles. And it's better to watch movies without subtitles, because it gives you the opportunity that how the one characters interact with other, and how they speak, and what kind of gestures and facial expression, body gestures they use. And here's how you can do the same. And you can also, you have to be a word sketcher, you have to be a sentence sketcher, and you will have to repeat the same whatever they say. Imagine there's a line, there's one line in a sentence, and you feel like that, oh, it's a very beautiful line. So you can also note that line, and the next time you can use the same line, because the same sentence, when you repeat after that, it will help you a lot. And that is how you can improve your speaking skills in no time, because this is something that I did. And the second thing that I would like to mention over here is that a lot of people think like that we do not come from the background where it's natural for a person to speak English. We are not born to a language. It's not like that. You will have to start the process. First of all, learn grammar, because what is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, learn all the used, and that is how the process will become automatic to you. In the beginning, the process might be a little bit uncomfortable to you, but later on you will start enjoying the process, because for whatever you start in the beginning, it might be uncomfortable for you, but later on you will start enjoying the process. And that is how it happens to everyone else, and that is how it will happen to you too. Do speak in English whenever you get an opportunity. Speak in English as much as possible, because this will help you a lot. And whenever you watch a movie or anything, so you try to speak at that immediately. What kind of sentence do you like the most? Try to speak immediately, because this is something that will help you a lot. And that is how you can and that is how your tongue will be able to speak English, and your mouth muscles will come in contact with your tongue, and that is how your tongue will get accustomed to it, and you will speak English in no time. And that is how it happens to everyone else. This is something that I practice, and this is something that truly helped me a lot. and that is how I decided I will share with you people too, so you can also use the same technique that I used, because I don't have a partner still, and I have been practicing English for the past 5 years with myself. I do have friends. Whenever I get an opportunity, I hang around with them, I try to speak with them. But it's not important for you that it's not important that you don't have a background, you're not from English speaking background, or you don't have a friends. It's not like that. What you will have to do, you will have to memorize lots of things. You will have to observe gestures whenever you watch a movie, because there's a lot of application nowadays. If you go online, open Play Store, you will find a lot of apps where you can get the opportunity to talk with native speaker and have conversation with them. So you can get a lot of opportunities. If you go online, there's a lot of application. The best one is Cambly, and if you haven't tried it, I would definitely recommend to you that do try Cambly, because in Cambly you will find a lot of native speaker. They will also give you a positive feedback whatever you do, so this will help you a lot. So guys, practice as much as possible, because practice makes a man perfect. So this was all about I had to say. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, then please do subscribe to it right now and press the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so that you should never ever miss any update of my video. I will be back another day in another video. Till then, take care and goodbye.